Alright, it is time for another disconnected, graduated, layered haircut. So as you can see, I've already got the top sectioned away. That's going to be the disconnected section from the top to the sides. So as you can see, I'm now currently layering the sides. By layering the sides, I'm taking a lot of the weight and fullness out of the sides so that when the top hangs over, it's going to hang over nice and sleek. So the first thing I'm going to do is continue finishing up the layering on the right side so that I can then drop down the top after it's all done. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm going through and scissor over combing the back neck area of my model. I want to get the neck in nice and tight, nice and short, but I want to keep that weight on the upper half of the back. So we want that upper half of the back to be nice and full, but then nice and tight down by the neck area. Alright, so now it is time to layer the left side of the head. So I'm going to go through layering the left side till it blends with the right side, and then once we are done, we can continue cutting the rest of the haircut. So now that I've got the layering all completed, it's time to clean up the hairline. So I've got my trimmers in my hand. I'm using my barbering comb and I'm just working my way around the ear. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the neck, cleaning it up nice and clean, nice and tight. And then from there, we will go ahead and finish the rest of the haircut. So now I'm just scissor over combing to really sharpen up the shape. As you can see, we've taken the bottom half of the back nice and tight and kept the upper half nice and full. Okay, so now, not a whole lot to explain here other than I am now just cutting in the outline of the top. This is the disconnected part, so we're establishing the new length for the top. And we have now come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, hey, throw those down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And once again, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.